Did you know Excel has a secret hidden function that calculates exact age or duration in seconds? Most users waste time doing this math manually, never again. Every time someone asks your age or an employee's tenure, you're subtracting dates by hand and getting it wrong. There's a built-in Excel function that does this perfectly every time. Set up two columns, one for the birth date or start date and one for today's date. Then click the empty cell where you want the age or duration to appear and start typing the formula. The DATEDIF function takes three parts: the start date, the end date, and a unit code. Use the letter Y for complete years, M for months, or D for total days. It's that simple. Press enter and Excel instantly shows the exact age in complete years. Copy it down the column and every row calculates automatically. What used to take minutes now takes 1 second. You just turned 10 minutes of manual date math into one formula. Most Excel users still subtract dates by hand and get it wrong. Subscribe. I drop a new time-saving Excel trick every single day.